Birds Korea calls for reassessment of proposed airports. Bird strikes are a serious threat to aircraft and many of Korea's airports, and the problem is likely to worsen in the coming years with the introduction of more regional airports around the country, according to a non-governmental organization related to the study of birds. And a national director of Birds Korea sent out a warning on January 6th following the disastrous Jeju air crash at Wuhan International Airport in South Jeolla Province, December 29th. There needed to be an honest reassessment of the suitability of the location of existing and of proposed airports, especially as it related to the bird strike risk at each airport, M said in a post on birdstockpedia.com. This is an urgent imperative because of the high number of new airports that are being proposed, almost all in bird important areas near the coast. He pointed to the proposals for 7 new airports to be built in coastal areas: Saemangeum in North Jeolla Province, Gadeok Island in Busan, Seosan in South Chungcheong Province, Eastern Jeju Island. Baekneung Island in Incheon's territory, Hwaseong in Gyeonggi Province, and Huksan Island in South Jeolla Province. Many of these are located along important migratory routes and in important wetlands as well as other areas important to birds.